Piekenierskloof is situated less than 2 hours away from Cape Town. It's perfect for anyone who wants to just get away from the city life.
The resort is situated in a really beautiful surrounding fynbos area overlooking the citrus-producing valley of Citrusdal and the beautiful Cederberg mountains.
It's a really relaxed atmosphere. It's quiet, you've got nature, 360 degrees of mountains around you.
The hotel consists of Valley View Suites, which is a honeymoon suite or an executive suite, suitable for 2 adults with a nice open plan bathroom, walk-in shower and a spa bath. We have the Mountain View Suites. It's a 2-bedroom unit suitable for families or for 4 adults. The 3rd bedroom setup is our very popular deluxe bedroom suites. It's suitable for 2 adults and we have sleeper couches in them, suitable for 2 children under 12.
All our rooms have a stunning view and our self-catering chalets as well.
We have 16 self-catering chalets, suitable for 4 adults and 2 children. The unit itself is nice and spacious with big bedrooms, open plan lounge, dining room, kitchen area. Around the chalets we have nice big open lawn areas for the children to run and play and just be children. There's a built-in braai on the veranda where you can sit and enjoy a glass of wine overlooking the valley down below. On site we have a restaurant, it's called Kloof Restaurant. We open every day of the week.
On our menu we have a lamb shank which you need to try. The pizza is quite popular, the chicken and prawn curry is one of our special dishes. And then there is the chocolate brownie and the bar one cheesecake which is homemade and just excellent.
We have a lovely bar area where you can enjoy an ice-cold beer or cocktails on the veranda overlooking the Citrusdal Valley and the beautiful views of the Cederberg mountains.
We spend a lot of time in our gardens, replanting indigenous plants that attracts a lot of birds, and people really enjoy wandering around in the gardens.
We have a lot of activities on site. You can relax just sitting by the pool, or you can use the spa.
Our hiking trail is more or less 45 minutes walk. Beautiful view, very lovely scenery to see as well. And then we have archery, that's new. Our miniature golf putt-putt is really nice. It has 9 holes. Really fun for the kids, for the adults, so that would be a family game to play as well. And then we have the zip lining. It's 7 slides, but we have 9 platforms. It's also a very lovely activity for the family to do that as well.
We have the giant outdoor chess set, we have 2 jungle gyms, we have 2 pools, 1 outdoor pool, 1 heated indoor pool.
Children can really enjoy themselves here. Mom and dad can forget about them for an hour, 2 hours.
We also have a conference center that can accommodate plus minus 130 guests. So that would be from your weddings, year-end functions or birthday parties that we do on site as well.
All our staff from each and every department will go out of their way to make you feel welcome and to create that home away from home feeling. That is what Piekenierskloof and all our staff strive to provide.
Every single person that walks through our reception desk is a special guest to us, and we'll really go out of our way to make you feel welcome and to enjoy your stay.